Oh yeah, baby, it's a freight coming. I was right. I was afraid it was going to be a commuter, actually. And that engine looks fucking new, man. That's a new, I think it's a new GE. You see, almost as soon as I got off of the train, that signal turned to yellow. And I got off the commuter. That's awesome. There's also a clear to stop on the CN side over here. I thought, wow, how cool would that be if I got a train there, but I just missed a freight there. Shit, that's not even the same train I saw in the yard. This one's gonna pull those intermodal cars. Excuse me, intermodal cars. Well, that's great. Great lighting. Nice, clean, bright engine. There's a bug on. Get out of here. Sorry. Oh man, it's fucking sun though. Jesus. Sun is hot as hell. It's a good thing it's not humid. Humid! Anyway, he's not rushing because he don't have it clear. So, yeah. The other train I saw in the yard had a bunch of mixed freight there and had 4 engines. Nice. I thought about going to the shade in that shelter, but what if I did see a freight on this CN side? I'd have to include it. But there is a maintenance and repair vehicle on the CN track though. That's a good eat. Yeah, that engine looks brand new, I think. Bunch of fucking electronic billboards there. Does that thing have 2 new engines? Nah, probably not. I think anything that's new for CP is a big deal, eh? Right on. 2 engines, 2 engines. Yeah, that's a beauty. 7048. Yeah, man, looks brand new. 7046, excuse me. With a dirty ass oldie in the back there. Look at the contrast, hey, holy shit, man. Fucking night and day on this one. Christ, makes that second motor look ancient, eh? Wow, 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 that is good timing. I don't know if that means that commuter is going to be delayed or not, or maybe there might even be less of them because of the wonderful COVID-19 time we're living in, you know? I don't have to tell you, eh? Some reefer containers. Of course, a commuter could actually just show up right here, right on this track here. Possible it might not even leave right away. It might actually back up to get more cars even. Yeah, I'm keeping my peepers on the CN tracks there as well, seeing what's going on down here. There's the maintenance and repair pickup right there. Those guys have a super important job, man. They may not like it at times, but their fucking job is very important to keep them tracks safe, man. The last thing anybody would ever want in the city is a fucking derailment, let alone the countryside. But here it's even, unfortunately, more important just because there's so much more people, more cars on the road. I mean, look, we're next to a fucking highway, for Christ's sake. Imagine a disaster on that. Oh, maybe I was wrong. He's tacking it up. Maybe he's departing Lachine. And if you don't know, Lachine is a borough here in Montreal. And it's called Lachine because, as far as I know, Jacques Cartier, the explorer, who discovered Quebec back in I don't know, 1642, I think. His friend thought that this part of Montreal, he thought it was China. And Chine is French for China, so he called it Lachine, the China. No joke, that's a true story. And I'm not actually feeling dead fucking tired for a change, I'm happy to say. I've been taking it slow past couple of days there. And I'm just, it shows how I'm getting older, unfortunately. I hate to say it because I'm going to be 45 at the end of the year, and I'll get out there and go walk here, go there, this and that, and I long for my younger years where I would get tired and I'd be good to go the day or the day after that, you know. So unfortunately, I think my body's telling me to not just cut down on YouTubing, but go back to work part-time. And even though it didn't work out in the last, what, 4 or 5 fucking jobs I tried, gotta keep trying, man. I'm gonna get out of the sun here, you know, because wow, you know, it just doesn't make sense. It's like I get so tired, I feel sick, honestly. That's how bad it is. Den Hartog. Yeah, probably came from Rotterdam, eh? A name like that, Dutch name. $1 million for that piece of shit. But you know what? It's a very smooth riding, comfortable piece of shit with air conditioning. So for $1 million fucking dollars, it's better be worth it. You know what I mean? Not a big fan of intermodal trains. I love freights, but I love a mixed freight any day because these are not very, it's just very predictable. It's just containers, you know. Imagine in the old days, even when there was container shipping, it was normal for there to be shipping by trucks. They put the trucks on the flatbeds, well, more flat than this, eh, and so to speak, and yeah, there used to be that, what was that train called? That Toronto Expressway train? I think that was the last CP flat train carrying tractor trailers that ended last year. Actually, it's a pretty long one there. Pretty long, pretty long. Oh, what's that I see? Is that a signal or a train? I can't even tell. That's a signal, isn't it? Oh no, that's the inspection pickup. Oh, he's backing up. Okay. What the hell? How the hell did I miss that? I don't know. Man, I can't believe I got that engine. That is awesome. To reiterate again, if you don't know a lot about freight trains, CN gets new engines pretty regularly, but not Canadian Pacific. It's or if they do, maybe they're more out west because it is based originally out west. That's why there's more CP trains out west than out east. I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled here on the CN side. Yeah. And after this, I'm gonna go to my parents' place, spend some nice times, have some nice laughs, barbecue, maybe a beer or two. And this, by the way, right here, like so many cities, this goes underground. You go down the steps, goes underground, underneath Highway 20, and brings it to the other side, which is residential, which is where I'm going. Same thing with that cabin there. Birchie. Oh, she's a long one, man. There's a guy next to me here, which leads me to believe, yeah, there's going to be a commuter coming soon on this track, heading west. be a good way to finish though with a commuter. I don't often put, you know, a freight and a passenger train together. That's just by timing, just by chance, you know. Par chance. Well, that might be it for this video because she's creeping along. Looks like she's going to stop, and that means she don't have a clear to proceed further west. And that might actually be because of the commuter train that's ahead of it, or it could actually be because of a freight coming towards here.